Financial brands must elevate their brand experience through meaningful visuals and messaging in today's world. And to do so, they need to go through discovery to begin really understanding who they're speaking to.
I think storytelling is really, really important because it allows a brand to frame the information that they want to say within the context of what their brand is about, and especially making sure that it is then relevant to that audience.
A consistent visual brand and key messaging, help a brand to stay on point with target audiences. And then as long as the brand can back up its messaging, they'll naturally stand out amongst competitors.
Logo and brand are the first thing a client sees, and I think a strong brand provides trust and shows the company's commitment. Good marketing can go a long way in finance. Your brand is a way to kind of set yourself apart from the competition.